Today I'm going to show you how to add background music to a video project in Riverside. Okay, so we've got a video clip over here, we've got our captions, and something's missing. Well, we want to add some background music. So on the right hand side, you will see your toolbar, come all the way down to music, and here you'll be able to do a few things. So what you can actually see here is music, and this is from their library of music. So you can go ahead and you can choose from any one of these. You can see over here there are collections here. So from lifestyle to education, gaming, whatever it is, go ahead, look for one, and then literally you can go ahead and choose whatever you'd like. Now, let's say that we have this one over here, this high short. Go ahead, click on the plus icon. On the right hand side, you will see, the left, you will see that it'll pop up here on your timeline. This is now added. Now, if you click on it, you can do a few things. You can adjust the volume for one, because if you are looking for background music, you want to make sure that the background music is in the background and not louder than the main audio. So let's go ahead and see what it sounds like. Now, of course, this is way too loud. So let's click on this. And now let's just close our music over here. We're going to click on this. Okay. And once you've clicked on it, you will be able to go over here and click on volume and effects, and you'll be able to change the volume over here. So let's just put it on, let's say 14%, and let us see what that sounds like.
Figure out which one is actually better by putting them head to head. So
of course, that sounds a lot better. Now, you can also adjust the volume of your main audio. If you click on this, you'll be able to do exactly the same thing by clicking in over here, and then you can adjust the audio accordingly.